Dear audience, welcome you all to this training session. This is the training module. Welcome training module 2. I hope that we were all listening this training module. In this training module, we is going to guide you on the process and how we will start working. Before starting to this discussion session, I'm going to discuss regarding the online market or passive income. There are lots of sites here. Which are offering a lots of jobs, but be careful regarding the types of site because a lot maximum of the sites are fake and they are not going to make payment to you. Thing is that after working 1 or 2 months, you will find out that, or you will discover that the site is not going to make payment. That this is very disgusting and it will completely waste your time. So before starting work, you should find out on which site you are going to work and where you are going to work. So this is the most important part of the online or passive income, and this is the hazardous part of the passive income or doing online income. So thing is that before starting before starting work to any site, you should check the background history. The one more thing I want to assure you that the site that are related here, that are incorporated here or at massberry.net, there is no fixed site and all sites are going to make you payment. So you can set yourself, you can feel free that all the sites that are incorporated here will make payment to you. So thing is that here is the safe zone and we are trying to ensure it. Before going to incorporate to any site here, we go for details investigations and we check the background history. So these are set and you can completely trust on the sites which are incorporated here. And the next thing is that this video is only for those people who have already received the user ID and password. The people or the worker or the individuals who is still not received the user ID and password, I will advise you to collect user ID and password first. Then you will come again to watch this video. Otherwise, there is no necessity to watch this video. So thing is that you should understand the thing of the motive of this video. So we are going to start now. And the first page, after collecting the user ID and password, we will go to the website www.massberry.net and you will get these types of interface. After getting these types of interface, you should just click on this learning and earning um, button. After clicking here, learning or earning button, you will get these types of interface. After getting these types of interface, you will click on start earning now. You just click on start earning now. After clicking start earning now button, you will get these types of interface here. Then you will put your user ID here and then you will put your password here and then you will click on login button. After clicking login button, you will get these types of interface and you will go for all program. You will just click on all program button. After clicking all program button, you will get these types of interface. Online income. And then you will go for online income, press on online income button. After clicking online income button, you will get these types of interface. You will hear lots of information. You just go to that information and it will start you well these types of information because there are lots of information, lots of restrictions, lots of guidelines that are going to help you in the future. So all the information that are mentioned here and only here are very much important and very important for you to learn in future. So all you have to study, then you will go for dashboard. Then after clicking dashboard, you will get these types of interface. After getting these types of interface, there you can see that there are few buttons. After these buttons, or in these buttons, there are so many information, and in this information to be started. Then you will go to this button, go to earn money. This button, this is the most expected button. You will go there, and after clicking that, go to earn money. You will have these types of things. You will see that there are lots of name here. Uh, within a group, there are 25 to 35 people working. And in January 2021, we started with group one, that is group A, and now we are going to group D, and group D is After group D, then we next move forward. Here, what you have to do? Just you will click on, your name. That's it. After clicking on the name, you will get this types of interface. Then you will click here on money button. After clicking on money button, you will get this page. This is your job page. All the jobs are listed here. You have to work on it. Before clicking on any job, that is any serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in this page you will find the two types of jobs. One is mandatory, one is optional. Optional jobs are such types of jobs which have no time limit, unlimited. That is the job for unlimited income. This is called optional job. And the job that are having specific time bound or limited income, this is called mandatory job. But thing is that without completing mandatory job, you cannot go for optional job. So when you are going to work online for passive income, you just first first go on mandatory portion, complete the tasks as per direction. Then you will go for optional part. When the mandatory portion will be completed, then you will submit the jobs, then you will go for optional job. The more you time you will invest, the income will increase accordingly. The more you time invest, the more will be the income. So this is the reason why that types of website has been designated as passive income or optional income. So on your job page, you will get two types of jobs, mandatory one and the optional one. Mandatory one are the mandatory to perform. Optional one depends on your wish. If you have time, you will continue. If you do not have time, then you quit the job. But mandatory one have to complete. What will happen if you do not do the mandatory portion? If you do not complete the mandatory portion, if you complete the optional part, then the optional tasks of the optional part will not be accepted. So we will advise you not to do that. And if it is detected, then your ID will be banned. So be careful. Do not do that. You will do the mandatory portion first, then you will go for optional first. Then you will work 1, 3 to 5, 8 hours as much as you can. There is no limitation. This is correct. In our next video, we will have a strong focus on optional part. What are the restrictions and how we will work? But one thing keep in mind, each and every serial number, each and every task have a specific guideline. You have to follow that guideline because the stakeholder that are who are providing these jobs, he has given a set of rules, and we are here to complete the tasks as per the set of rules and to deliver them. This website is working multidimensionally. Number one, this website, that is www.massbill.net, is providing online education. Number two, this website providing passive income. Number three, this income providing support to the digital entrepreneur or online entrepreneur. In future, we will have a complete discussion on digital entrepreneur, how you can be digital entrepreneur. You are here to earn money, not to produce job, but you can produce job for others. There are options, there are opportunities here. Internet is the industry, and you will produce the product on the internet, and you sell the product on internet. There are so many mechanisms you can work here. So you can think yourself as a digital entrepreneur. You have come here to earn money, and then at the same time you will think yourself as a digital entrepreneur to provide jobs to others. How they can be, and How can you produce jobs, digital jobs on internet? We'll have a separate discussion when we'll discuss on that type of product. Now, I would like to conclude by telling one thing. We believe in freedom of thinking and freedom of work. That's why we have developed here. We are helping each other here. We are asking help from others. We are helping others. We are here one for another. All people should keep in mind here. We are helping just each other and we are benefiting from one from another. This is the rules. We are helping each other. We are benefiting. We are taking benefit from each other. On your jobs schedule or your job page, you will get the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are some classifications. The pre-user, that is user level one people having user level one will get few jobs. User level two gets more jobs. User level three get more jobs. And this user level five, that is country director, he has lots of job. He has to lead the teams. He has to train up people. He has to guide people. He has to solve the problem, etc., etc. So this is a huge community working from the different parts of the world. They are connected each other. They are working each other. They are earning each other. They are producing each other product. They are selling products here, and they are creating opportunity for others. So all we have to keep in mind this type of conquest, this types of conception, this types of perception, so that we are here not only to generate income here, we have come here to provide or to generate few products for others, so that everybody can get job here and everybody can earn here and everybody help each other. This is our main objective. So thank you very much for patient sharing. Uh, I would like to conclude welcome video 2. Then I will especially request you to listen to the welcome video 3. Thank you so much.